Okay, so now we are going to learn about time expression. Time expression is generally useful to apply certain amount of speed to our animation without using keyframes. Okay, so to explain that, I have this one stroke, and if you see, the anchor point is at the start. And one thing you need to understand, that time expression only works on the properties which has only one dimensions. For example, in anchor point, they have two properties, one is for x and one x for y. Then it's not gonna work. Same for position, one for x, one for y. It's not gonna work. Scale, two dimensions, but in rotation we have only one dimension over here. Similarly for opacity, so these two properties can take that time expression. Now what time expression is gonna do, for example, suppose if I want to change the rotation of it, I can create one keyframe over here. I can go to around 6 seconds and I can make it one complete rotation, and if I hit spacebar, I'll get this kind of stuff. Okay, but with the help of time expression, what we can do, I can alt click on this stopwatch and I'll search for time. I can type star and then I can type 1 on 10 maybe. And now if I hit spacebar, as you guys can see, with the help of this 10, they are providing our speed unit, which is 10, and time applying the speed. If I make this 100 over here, and now if I hit spacebar, as you guys can see, we are getting certain amount of speed. If I make this 100 to 1000, I'll get this kind of speed. Okay, so this kind of expressions are used to apply speed. Okay, and right now it's positive 100. If I make this minus 100 over here, then let's see what we can get. Let's do that. We are getting this in opposite direction. Same procedure we can apply for this opacity. If I alt click on this stopwatch, I can apply time star 100. Then as you guys can see, they are going to increase the opacity like this. I can make this 50 as well. Yeah, so we will get this kind of thing. So this is the use of time expression, which is basically useful to apply certain amount of speed to your animation without using any keyframes.